Welcome to another edition of 2-Minute Photoshop. In this particular tutorial, we will learn how to convert an image to black and white, but reserve all of the tonal values. The first thing we're going to do is load an image, which I have done, and we're going to make a copy of this image. So if we drag it down to the plus, we've got a copy, and we're going to name this particular copy Desaturate. Because what we're going to do is we're going to convert it to black and white using the image drop-down menu. And we're going to choose adjustments, and we're just going to desaturate the image. And as you can see, the image has been desaturated. It's quite flat. But what we want to do is restore all of the tonal values so we get a nice punchy black and white. To do that, we need to create an adjustment layer. So if we go to the bottom of our screen, you can see the little half moon. And if we click this, we're going to click our gradient map. So we click the gradient map, and immediately what you can see is we've got quite a tonal black and white. Now we can adjust this to our taste. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this drop-down menu where it says normal, and I'm going to move all the way down. As you can see, they do change when you go over them. And I'm going to go all the way down to soft light. I like soft light because soft light just gives it that little bit of a punch. Please review the before and after images and have fun applying them to your images. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. I hope you gained some knowledge from it. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and give it a little like. Thank you very much.